For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to tie a macrame square knot. To start your square knot, you will be using your outside right working cord and your outside left working cord to tie your knots around the center two filler cords. To begin, take your outside right working cord and bring it over in front of your center two filler cords to the left, behind your left working cord, and your left working cord will then go up around the back of your center two filler cords and through that loop on the right side. Using your working cords, pull your knot tight. That is your half knot, and to complete your square knot, you're going to repeat the same steps using the left side this time. Take your left working cord over the top of your center two filler cords, behind your right working cord. Your right working cord will then go up around behind your center filler cords and through the loop on the left. Using your working cords, pull your knot tight. And that is your square knot. So one more time, using the right cord, bring it across your center two fillers. Your left is going to go up and around your center fillers through that loop and pull to tighten your knot. And to finish it, take your left side this time, across your center filler cords, behind your right working cord is going to go up around your center filler cords and through the loop on the left, and pull your working cords to tighten your square knot. The square knot is one of the most beginner-friendly knots, and it is one of the most common knots that is used in any macrame wall hanging or any macrame plant hanger. And that is a macrame square knot.